Hello everyone, welcome back. So we were doing exponent and powers. So today we will solve few more questions. So the question is, we will have to simplify and express them in their exponential form. So the first question is 3 raised to the power 2 whole to the power 3 multiplied by minus 2 raised to the power 9 upon minus 2 raised to the power 3. Alright. So we know a law, that is a raised to the power m whole to the power n is equals to a raised to the power m into n. Alright. So we can see here we have 3 raised to the power 2 over 3. Alright. And we can write it as 3 raised to the power 2 into 3 minus 2 raised to the power 9 upon minus 2 raised to the power 3. Next, we will multiply the two powers, which is 3 raised to the power 3 into 2 is 6. Now we see we have two numbers with same basis, minus 2 raised to the power 9 and minus 2 raised to the power 3, and they are being divided. So what we will do is we will write the base and subtract the two powers. Alright, we know that if we have two bases and they are being divided and the powers are different, then the powers are subtracted. Alright, so this can be written as 3 raised to the power 6 into minus 2 raised to the power 9 minus 3 is 6. Now again we know that if we have two different numbers with different bases and the same powers, for example we have a raised to the power m multiplied by p raised to the power n, they are being multiplied and they have the same exponent but they are different numbers. Alright, so we can write it as a into b whole to the power m, which is equals to ab whole to the power m. Alright, so here we can see there are two different numbers, 3 and minus 2, and but the powers are same. So this can be written as 3 into minus 2. Alright, whole to the power 6. Now minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. 3 into 2 is 6, and we will write the minus sign, whole to the power 6. Since we have to write it in the exponential form, so the answer is minus 6 raised to the power 6. So the next question is 3 raised to the power 5 into 10 raised to the power 5 into 25 upon 5 raised to the power 7 into 6 raised to the power 5. Okay, now we see this 10, we can break it as, okay, we will write 3 raised to the power 5 first into, can we write 10 as 2 into 5? Okay, so will it change anything? Because 2 into 5 is 10. Alright, so and we will give the power to both of them, okay, into, and this 25 can be written as 5 into 5. Okay, now upon 5 raised to the power 7 into, now this 6 can be written as 2 into 3. Now we will give the whole power to both of them. Now why have I done this? My aim is to simplify it and to use the laws by getting same basis. Here you can see there is 5, right, over here, so I have got 5, here 2, and we can see there is 3, so I have broken 6 into two numbers so that we can get same basis and we can simplify it. Alright, so for simplifying anything we have to break them into simpler numbers so that we can easily solve them. So now here we can write 3 raised to the power 5. Now we know if we have two different numbers with same powers. Now earlier we have used this law, if you have two different numbers and the powers are same, this can be written as this. So the same thing goes to here too, because if you have two different numbers and they are being multiplied and their the power is given over them, मतलब उनके मल्टीप्लाई पे, प्रोडक्ट पे अगर वो पावर दिया हुआ है तो हम लोग उसे ब्रेक करके फिर अलग सेपरेट कर सकते हैं हम लोग पावर्स. तो सिंपली यहाँ भी वही कर सकते हैं. वी कैन राइट इट एज 2 रेज टू द पावर 5 इंटू 5 रेज टू द पावर 5. यू कैन फाइंड इट सिमिलर. ऑलराइट, एंड दिस कैन बी रिटन एज 5 इंटू 5 इज 5 स्क्वायर. ऑलराइट, अपॉन 5 रेज टू दिस पावर 7 इंटू, and this can be written as 2 raised to the power 5 into 3 raised to the power 5. Alright, now we will write the same bases together, so let's find them. 3 raised to the power 5 and 3 raised to the power 5. So this can be written as 3 raised to the power 5 upon 3 raised to the power 5, and 2 raised to the power into 2 raised to the power 5 upon 2 raised to the power 5. Okay, now we have 5 raised to the power 5. Since there are two different numbers with same bases and the exponents are different, so we will simply add the two powers. Okay, and we will write this 5 raised to the power 7 here. Okay, now again we have we can use this law, a upon b a upon a. If we have two different numbers with same bases and the exponents are different and they are being divided, what we will do is we will write the base and we will subtract the two powers. Okay, so here we can see do the same thing. 3 raised to the power 5 minus 5 into again 2 raised to the power 5 minus 5 into 5 raised to the power 5 plus 2 is 7 upon 5 raised to the power 7, and this can be written as 3 raised to the power 5 minus 5 is 0, alright, into 2 to the power 0 into, again if we subtract the two powers we will get 5 raised to the power 0, because this is equals to 5 raised to the power 7 minus 7, which is equals to 5 raised to the power 0. Alright, now what I told you earlier, that if any number however large or small, if it has a power of 0, the result is always 1. So we can see here they all have the power of 0, so that will ultimately come to 1. Alright, so this is equals to 1 into 1, which is equals to 1. So the answer is 1. So I hope you have understood what we did today. So in this chapter everything is about the laws of exponent. You just need to remember all the laws, then you can easily solve any sum of this chapter. So I hope you have liked this video. Please subscribe my channel if you haven't until yet, and thanks for watching.